Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Can you guys hear me? Good morning, traders. Can you guys hear me? Let's do a quick sound test. Good morning, traders. Can you guys hear me? All right, guys, let's do a sound test, quick sound test. Hi, Vishnu. Good morning. All right, so uh, let's look at the market right now. So, market right now is slightly green, and as we know, there are some earning results came in for Facebook, and PayPal and some other companies. And so we're going to go look one by one. Just give me 1 second. I want to set it up. Let's look at the first XPAF. XPAF is gapping up right now. And let me just so XPAF is right now 3.6% up. And if you look at the daily, you will see that you know 40 was a key resistance, came down, and right now it is on the 200 moving average touching it. Let's see, the 38 could be an interesting support as well, so we need to make sure that whether it hold the 38 support and move back up or it comes down. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, you will see it gapped up and then it's just keep waving down. So it's waving down. We have a support around 38.97. I don't like it. Is a third day of continuation move. So we don't know what is going to be happening here. But anyway, we can keep it this into our secondary watch list at this point. So next one I have is, the TLY, Tiger, PDD, Futo. All these are continuation of many days. So it's going to be hard for us to play those stocks because these are gonna be little crowded, right? For upside. It could be play on the downside, but they are gapping up. So it's just like JD. If you look at the JD, is 2.5% up, but if you look at the daily, uh, you will see here from 62 all the way to 72 is a big move right now, and it might just need to rest. So that's what I'm thinking. And right now, if you look at the JD, move back up, came down. So it could be a sideway action too, not a clear action. So what instead we should look at it, the ones which are new one, just like QCOM. So QCOM is gapped up 3%, 2.9% right now, and this is because of the earning. Okay, if you look at the daily, it came down and made close to $146 around the price of February. And and if you look at it this right now on the 5-minute chart, let's find a support and resistance. Clearly, I see a support right now on the pre-market is around 146.20, right? And it's coming down now, is breaking those support. Let's see what it does. And then the 146.78 is a resistance. So I think I don't know what happened here. I usually put the yellow lines configuration, yellow. Okay. So QCOM is could be an interesting one. Then we have a PayPal. So PayPal also came down almost 5% right now. It consolidating clear support under 283 to 288. So that could be a two interesting play what we have right now. Uh, Yeah, guys, thank you. We really appreciate if you guys give a thumbs up. Thank you, Avenger, for reminding everyone. And what else we have? We have PayPal, Uber. Uber is also gapping down today. Let's check Uber. Uber has been we have not traded since long. Is also an earning play right now. It's gapping down, touching the support around 43. This could be an important level. It could be an important level. And if you look at the 5 minute chart, you will see here that, you know, big move down, big move down, but then it couldn't sustain. It's just coming down and sideway action right now. It is going close to the pre-market low, which is around 43.70. So let's put that as a level, and then the resistance around 44. So these are going to be two important levels. Let's check the Facebook too. Facebook came down sharply and then sideway action right now on the upper side of the consolidation. It is right now 3.3% down, and we'll see what it happens and what it will do. Right now, I clearly see a resistance around 362, which I've created here. Let's just mark as a yellow. Um, and I also see a support around 360, 361. So let's see, does it break the support? And the next support we have it here on the 359, and then this is all the way to 356. So we'll see what it does. So guys, anything else you're looking, or that's all you guys have? I'm going to be focused on these earning plays today, because this could be an interesting play. We can find some entries, and that is what I'm looking right now. All right, so let me know let me know if you any other stock you want me to look at it. Ford is not a good mover. Means it's hard to day trade, man. Is only is ATR is too low. I don't know. Let me quickly check on the other screen to see what it's doing right now. See, is so far is only moved 40 cents, so it's a very small ATR. So it's not going to give much room to us. FLGC, let's check quickly. FLGC. So FLGC on a daily, is gapping up. Is this, I think, look like in a small cap, and it's really gapping up right now. And let's see the 5 minute move up, beautiful bull flags, and now consolidating under it. 10 could be an important level. Bridget, I guess the 10 could be. Let's put this into our watch list too, but go small size. 10 could be an important level. Let's mark this, and 10 could be an important level. Nice bull flag. The volume is nice, but we need to be very cognizant that it can jump up. Look at this. The candles uh, is almost 50 cents. 50 cents candle in 5 minutes. So, and without any direction. The only sideway action is this much. So it could be uh, dangerous one. NKLA has been a long time we didn't play. Uh, it's still on the $14, surviving that. Coming down, 13 could be an important resistance or support, sorry. So if it break 14, it could be a very interesting play. So let's put it for, I think NKLA could be interesting one. So let's put NKLA for our downside, and definitely the 1350 going to be an important resistance, and then support is right now in 1318, and right now stock is moving back up. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, PayPal. We have just discussed the PayPal. PayPal will be very interesting, and definitely we're going to look into for the short side right now, sideway action. So essentially, my focus should be on the Facebook, NKLA, sorry, Facebook, QCOM, Facebook, QCOM, and the PayPal. These are three earning plays. Could be an interesting ones, and then we have NKLA for the fourth one. DIDI, let me quickly check DIDI. DIDI. Moving back up to 1042, I think it's gonna die down. Look at it, the big volume came in, spiked 1325, and then just came back down. Because see, just like JD and Baba are more on the sympathy play, they came down. But for DD, there's a real news on the DD that these stocks have a regulatory fines and everything. So, and today Uber is also down, so I'm not sure why DD came down, move back up. So we'll see. Okay. All right, guys. Oh, okay. So, okay, then it might, I think, then it might, they might gonna people might gonna buy back again. So, okay. So, thank you, Louis, for sharing that news. So maybe we can put yes. Then we can find a Didi momentum, because Didi was a very strong Uber company. If the Chinese regulator is saying that they are not worried about it, then I guess it could be an interesting one. Okay. So let's put this as well. All right, guys, let's take a leave and take slow. I'm gonna take a slow today, and we'll see what happened in the trading, and I will share you if I have some good trades with you guys. All right, see you tomorrow.